This video shows how to buy shares of Megaport Limited. Megaport provides cloud networking and interconnection services and is listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker MP1.ASX. This content is educational and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with identification and add funds to place orders. Use the platform search to find the company by name or ticker. Type MP1.ASX and select the Megaport Limited listing on CBOE AUS to open the asset page. On the asset page, review the company's summary and the price chart to confirm sector and listing. Verify the page shows Megaport Limited in the MP1.ASX ticker before proceeding. Click Invest. Enter the amount you want to use, then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After the trade completes, your position will appear in your portfolio view. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to follow the same steps.